trips that I go on, it's just me, and that's big enough for just.
Well, everyone, look at this. All the people here, all queuing up to go on the buses. Look at that.
I would never normally shop at Waitrose, but I did get everything for tonight.
Oh, that is. Oh, I just found out how
It was the only supermarket that I passed in Truro.
to magnify it. Look, I didn't know that. Look, and this is a quiet day apparently, right as far as you can see. But the coach is leaving now, and I suppose the other one would just pull across and start picking up. I mean, most of them were foreigners. I was talking to some French people earlier, people from New Zealand, Australia. They absolutely love it. Stonehenge. See you all later.